Hey everyone, welcome to Mix It Up Art. Today we are going to be making these fireflies at night using chalk pastels. To get started, you're going to get a sheet of black construction paper and I want you to hold it portrait style so it's longer up and down than it is side to side. We're going to use a gold chalk pastel and I want you to start by just drawing a curved line that goes down for the bottom of the lid. And then we're going to draw two lines that curve in and then one curved line on top, like we're making a hat. Then we're going to thicken up all the lines and color it in using the side of the chalk. Now we're going to use one finger and blend that chalk together. Using a white chalk pastel, you're going to trace around the lid. And then we're going to draw two curved lines in the middle that curve down. Now we're going to use one finger and just trace over those white lines. You want to also tap off the extra chalk and then touch up anything you might need to. Remember, you can use a clean finger or an eraser to erase any of the chalk dust that you don't want to see. Now we're going to use a white chalk pastel and we're going to start at the edge of the lid and we're going to draw lines that curve in and then back out on both sides. We're going to draw a straight line that goes down on one side, then the bottom's going to curve around and the other side's going to go straight down and connect to that curved line. Then we want to thicken it up by just tracing over it a second time. Now you're going to use one finger and trace over that white line. Tap off any extra chalk and again touch it up and clean off any of the extra chalk dust using a clean finger or an eraser. Now at the bottom of the jar, you're going to use your white chalk again and just draw a hook shape and then blend that with your finger. Now you're going to use the side of your chalk to draw a thick line on the left side that curves a little bit. Now use your finger and blend it back and forth really well. Then we're going to add a little bit of highlight on the right side as well. So just a little line here and again blend really good. Now we're going to make our fireflies using the yellow. So all you're going to do is draw some small circles in your jar and then also around the jar. And then you're going to take one finger and blend them really well so there's no extra chalk dust. Next, you'll add in a little white dot into each one of those yellow circles. And you're going to blend that also. Once you've added all the fireflies that you want to add, you're going to get your yellow chalk pastel, find a point on it, and then you're going to add little dots all around the jar. Once you tap off the extra chalk dust, it will look like little fireflies in the distance. And that's it. That's all there is for our fireflies at night. Don't forget, if you want to leave me a comment or tweet me a picture, to follow me on Twitter at MixItUpArt, and as always, have fun.